Welcome back to a new video friends. Today we are going to talk about how to connect Wi-Fi in Redmi 10 phone guys. How can you connect Wi-Fi in Redmi 10 phone? So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so then friend, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, and do you like my videos, so like and share. So now let's start video friends. First of all, what will you have to friends? Open your phone Wi-Fi guys. Refresh friends. So guys, I have Mukesh Wi-Fi, Mukesh 5G guys. So I will click here, and guys, I know the password. So guys, 4LY. And guys, you can see after guys, you can see connect. So guys, connect. After password guys, it will connect, otherwise not. I know the password and it's my Wi-Fi, so guys, I can connect. And guys, you want to connect, so guys, you will have to type password, dial password. After guys, you can use Wi-Fi. Okay friends, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching our video guys. I think you have understood how to connect Wi-Fi in Redmi 10 phone. I hope guys you like my videos. So before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.